So we're just going to go over quickly with what we've got going on today. And first thing I've got sight word practice. We're going to watch the recording, just if you need it, to go to spellingcity.com. Play a game with the sight words for week 28, but for sure at the end, before you get out of there, do the spelling teach me at least once with that list. And that'll be really helpful for tomorrow when we have the test. Okay, that's the first thing. And then I'm reading Shark School, Chapter 3. And so just listen to that. Word games. That's only just a little over 5 minutes. That shouldn't take very long. Just do it along with me. And then after that, journal. I have some of the focus words for the week up there on the Google Doc, and I want to see if you can write some sentences using our focus words. So that's going to be kind of fun. I know you can do it. And then read for 20 minutes. I have a link in there for a book that you can start out reading and get epic. And just read for 20 minutes today. Let's see. And then for reading comprehension, I have a story from Storyline.com. Listen to the story and then answer the questions that we have for the story. And anyway, it's a cute story. I think you'll like it. And that is in the Google Doc. And then the Nearpod lesson. And the Nearpod lesson is also going over the, read the book. It's good for you to read and read out loud. Take the time to do it well. And then with each page, you're sorting words that have QU sound, the QU sound, WH, TH, CH, and SH. So those good digraphs and the QU sound. And that's what the Nearpod is. And then Lexia for 20 minutes and 4 units. If you're already done for the week, I have some other links in there. And then for math, we have a Think Central assignment for May 14th. Go ahead and do that one. I've got the video in there that walks you through it. And then go ahead and do the assignment. And then a Fluency Builder. Those are the ones where you go in and you do the math problems, check your answer, and time yourself, and see how long it takes you to go ahead and do it the first time, and then time yourself the second time and see how much faster you get. That'll help you a lot when you're in second grade. And then I've got a video about regrouping that'll kind of help you with our new math unit. And then for science, I've got a video in there to show you what exactly we want you to do. It's still force and motion, and it's kind of a drop and drag activity where you pick the answer you want and put it in the right place. Those are kind of fun. So if you do the force and motion interactive, do that one first. And then after that, do the forces and motion scavenger hunt. Do the scavenger hunt last. And I also have a little brain break in there for you when you need to have that brain break. And that is what we're doing today. And I also am meeting with my last group for the week. I've got some boys that we're going to meet together. Bring your wheat sprouts, and we can show each other how good ours are doing. We're going to be talking about sundials and also the pictures of your insects that you've seen this week. That'll be kind of fun. Have a wonderful Thursday. And then on Friday, tomorrow, we'll be having another recess for anyone who wants to join us at about noon. So